And they're up. Admiral Contender Tabaco moving a party outside Ideal View. Durango running by the rail is Strong Boy racing now in third. Cool Reception comes next, then followed by Sharp Cookie. Super Elegant, and trailing the group is Wheel of Fame. As they pass the last 800, Tabaco in command. Durango in second is Strong Boy now running by the rail and moving a party outside Ideal View. Then comes Cool Reception, Super Elegant, followed by entry number 8 Sharp Cookie, Admiral Contender, and Wheel of Fame. Rounding at the last 450. Tabaco this time by about 4 lengths. Running in second, Durango. Ideal View is Strong Boy is by the rail. Then on the outside, Cool Reception with the last 150 more to run. Tabaco this time by about 4 lengths. Running in second, Durango. Ideal View is on the outside with the last 50 meters from start till end. It's all Tabaco. Second, Ideal View. Then comes Durango. Admiral Contender, Super Elegant for your Pentafecta.